So welcome to A Passion for Detailing. My name is Kiran and thank you for joining me again. Today I have a real special one, something I've seen a lot of, and you wouldn't believe it, I just saw this. Waterless Clean Protect, you spray it on, you give it a wipe. Excuse me pal, what's that you're using there? Oh bro, it's the new Waterless. YouTubers bang on about it. You spray it on, you wipe it off, and you're all done. I've been using it for weeks. You've been using that for weeks? Wow, you're definitely going to scratch your car, pal. So what? I've scratched my car. All that hard work, me cleaning it every weekend, and it's scratched. I've been detailing cars for a long time now, and I would never use it on a dirty car, but if you follow me, I will show you. It looks like I need to come with you, because I won't be listening to them YouTubers if I'm getting false information. Look, come with me. All right, yeah, I'll come with you, don't worry. Let's go. This video is not a call out video, but I really want to entertain this product. Reason being is I can't see how a waterless wash is not going to scratch your paint at home. And for me, I want to give you guys the best advice I physically can about any product that I see on the market. And this one here, bearing in mind that there's so many big YouTubers using this product and advertising it on really expensive cars, in my eyes, I can't see how that works. But sit back, relax, and let's get out of there. Mazerna Super Finish and a Geon polishing pad, perfect for removing swells and scratches, so you guys at home know that the bonnet is absolutely free from any swirls and scratches, so when we use the waterless in a couple of days time on a dirty panel, we'll get the results. Quick buff off with a polish. Now you can see the results. No swirls or light scratches using my Unilight. Let's get ready for the test. As you can see, this is 10 days of not cleaning my car, so you can actually see that the panel is filthy dirty, tree sap and all sorts. Here we go, the first test, the waterless on a dirty panel. I deliberately spray this all over the panel so there's no dry spots. This is really going to lubricate the surface to help prevent any scratching and remove any built up dirt. Using a clean microfiber cloth, you're going to work in straight lines, one line per side, and rotate the cloth and do the same again on the next bit. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a second microfiber towel to buff off any residue to get the perfect finish. And believe me guys, I was shocked with the results that I got with just one single application. Second test. So what I wanted to do was imitate a wash scenario where a rinseless wash is going to be needed. So I just rinsed the car down to get rid of any light contaminants. And then what I did is I used it a bit like an ONR or a rinseless wash, where I sprayed the product on the panel and then using a clean wash mitt with no soap whatsoever, I just go up and down the panel in straight motions. What this does do is it stops any scratching or marring, well, keeping it to a minimal. And then using a clean dry microfiber towel, I just remove the excess water. And actually I was quite surprised with the result that I got using it as a ONR style product. So for all you rinseless wash guys, I think you'll really like it. So the last test, so a bit of snow foam as a pre-wash. I really wanted to imitate a proper wash scenario. Quick rinse down and a wash with some pH neutral shampoo and a quick rinse as you would with any wash regime. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to dry it with a clean dry microfiber towel. It's funny that the panel is actually not slick at all compared to the previous two, obviously because there's no protection on this panel at all. So the waterless panel, using my Rupes swirl finder, as you can see there is seriously no mar in there or any swirls, along with test number 2, again using like an ONR style system. Again, nothing visible to my eye. Obviously very difficult for me to film this with the light on my camera, but no serious damage whatsoever. I'm actually really surprised. And obviously this is the normal wash, and as I could expect, nothing there either. So the moment that you've all been waiting for: does this waterless product scratch your paint? I'm going to say it, I eat my words. It hasn't scratched the paint on my car. I'm absolutely astonished by the results that I got. It gives you great gloss, it's easy to apply, and it does give you some fantastic protection, and the water sheeting and the water beading that you guys at home, I'm sure, absolutely love, because I do too. You know, you can use it as a quick detail on the interior of your car, at a car show, because you just washed your car, as a topper, so you know, as a drying aid. It is absolutely fantastic. I would buy this again, hands down. It's obviously taken me about 4 weeks to sort of get this video together for you guys at home. All them YouTubers out there that banging on about it with 20% off, do you know what, guys? Grab yourself a bottle. I will leave the link for the description. Sorry, I will leave the link for the product in the description below. So all you YouTubers out there that I thought were just selling this product for the sake of it, thumbs up to you. It's a great product. Whoever makes this, I really rate it. One tip that I could give you guys at home is don't use it on a filthy dirty car that you haven't washed for well over a month or 2 months. But if your car is relatively clean, it was washed, you know, 5 or 6 days ago, and it's reasonable, you know, you can use it. You know, if there's serious grit and grime, I would recommend just jet the car off first with water, spray this on using plenty of microfiber towels, wipe it off, turn the towel, wipe it again, and you will get a fantastic result. So big thumbs up to these guys at Waterless. I really rate it, so good on ya. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget 2 things. Give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any tips, tricks or future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.